Hey everyone, it's Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive and the Wildwood Boardwalk Facebook page, and right now I'm standing in something that I've been waiting for a while. Currently we're at Ceder Avenue in a brand new parking lot. That's right, Morey's Piers built us a brand new parking lot. We've been talking about it for a while now. Before I show it to you, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. So for those who have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about, here at Ceder Avenue for at least the past few years, this was just a gravel parking lot for employees at Morey's Piers. And before then, this used to be Hunt's Theater. And that obviously used to be the Dracula Castle, which we all miss. Anyway, there used to be two different ramps onto the boardwalk. It used to be right over here and one on the other side. Now we were here roughly, I want to say all the way back in April, where they were ripping up this entire parking lot. Here's a little clip. And well, now that we're fully in August, they are pretty much putting on the finishing touches on this parking lot. I mean, it's pretty much done with the exception of maybe this one sign right here. But they did such a great job that I really just want to share it with you guys. I know it's just a parking lot, but it's really one of a kind in the sense that there's no attendant. When you come to this parking lot, you have to download an app that's called Park Mobile. And from there, you pull up the app, you pick your parking spot, you open up the app and you pick the location, which this one's like 7932. You type in your number, then you put in your credit card information, and then you go ahead and just add on how much time you need. And what's really cool about it is, let's say you're at the water park and you only put in 3 hours and you want to put in more time, you can just open up the app and from there add on time and then you're good to go. To me, I think that's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and give you guys a tour of this awesome parking lot. Let's go. Now this lot is owned by Morey's Piers, and what's really great is that they went ahead and created some awesome signs for the parking lot. Here's the main sign to come in. And then they have other signs like these. Now, just in case if you enter the parking lot and you don't understand the whole app, they actually have signs everywhere explaining it. Let me show you one. And just to show you guys the other side of the parking lot, it's pretty much the same layout, but pretty much on the opposite side. Now it's time for me to share with you guys my favorite part about all of this. Now, the main reason why they did this was to rebuild the ramp onto the boardwalk. They went ahead and really did a great job. Let me show you. How cool is that, right? They added in these beach balls. They wrote boardwalk across the front like the Wildwood sign. I think that's really cool. They really made this area look great. Now let me go ahead and actually share with you what the ramp looks like. Once again, they're not done yet. They still have to add in the sign and the railing, but it looks really good. So what do you guys think about the brand new ramp and the entrance to the boardwalk here on Ceder Avenue? Isn't it fantastic? Morey's really did a lot of work, even adding plants and brick. Before you know it, and I think this is one thing they should do, they should extend it all the way down to downtown Wildwood. How cool would that be? You can go from Burn Plaza all the way up to the boardwalk. Maybe, you never know. But once again, I want to know what you guys think in the comment section below. Comment, what do you think of it? Do you like it? Do you wish there was any kind of changes? Do you like the mobile app? Download it, check it out. I really want to know what you think. I haven't downloaded or tried it yet. But thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you on the beach.